Hello there! Today, we'll be learning about the ethical issues in science and development. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify right and wrong applications of science, discuss the implications of the application of science to the development of the society. Science is the study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world, and the phenomenon through systematic observation and experiment. As scientific knowledge and skills advance rapidly, issues that create ethical problems can arise. An ethic is a set of principles that can be applied to what people do in a particular situation. Scientific ethics, therefore, are the principles that govern the way scientists do things when they carry out scientific research. People who study ethics are called ethicists. Many ethicists question whether science is right or wrong, especially those involving humans and animals, because the actual research may harm humans and animals in some ways, whereas the outcome of the research may lead to something beneficial. What are the right and wrong application of science? The application of any knowledge gained from science that will directly or indirectly benefit mankind is described as the right application of science. Some of these applications may be in the areas of health and medicine, transportation, communication, agriculture, and so on. Now let's look at the wrong application of science. When science is wrongly applied, it causes problems, destruction, and even death. Its wrong application has extensive consequences. These include atomic bomb production, poisons, nuclear war, production of weapons of war and mass destruction, drugs used for abortion. Now let's look at the application of science to the development of society. Science can have both positive and negative impacts on the society. Positive impacts include the following. New medical discoveries can lead to humans living healthier and longer lives. Research into ways to increase crop yields has led to increased food production to feed the increasing human population. The development of new telescopes improve our understanding of the universe. Development of new vehicles, trains, and aircrafts has made travel easier. Development of new technology means that humans can communicate with one another irrespective of their location. The negative impacts include unethical scientific research. For example, the scientists that injected cancer cells into patients and prisoners in the 1960s. New technologies leading to the development of more dangerous weapons that can be used in wars. We have now come to the end of today's lesson. We learned about the right and wrong application of science. We also learned about some of the implication of the application of science to the development of society. See you in the next lesson.